playing the scariest monkey of horror, Dogman.
Do I go to Snapchat?
You do not need to leave every dang time.
You want to go to Snapchat?
Okay. Okay, what map do you want to go to? What map? Want to go to Forest? Bet. You said you want to go to Forest.
Well, first I have to disconnect my...
Oh!
That's fine.
Wait.
Whoa.
Wimbawa. Hey, stupid monkey. Come up here, Timmy. You want Doritos? Oh, too bad. You can't have some.
You can't have my Doritos, Timmy, because Timmy, these Doritos are saved for let's see, my producer, Tavis Cott. Yo, bro, where are you? There you are.
Oh, snap.
Welcome to the underground. Yo, I don't want to go up there.
I fell, but I'm okay.
But you're okay. What, you really want me to go up there? For the fans.
This kid, you're gonna die. Right thing. You know that, right?
I got up here, so
No way.
I don't see where it's from. Get. Where are you? Bro, you're running for your life.
I don't know what is that. That's a red time.
Oh my god, what the? Bro, you got so freaky. Oh my god, it's so easy for me to sit back here and relax and just laugh at you. And that's what I'm gonna do. Okay. Ooh, that was scary. I just gotta commit.
Commit Arsenal right now.
I'm not okay. I'm gonna put him down. Hey. Oh yeah, that was just so fun, wasn't it? Imagine breathing. What? You know what? That's it. I give up. Ah! Is that American Dad rap song? Oh, fuck. Yo, bro. Where are you? Hello, bro? You gotta speak louder. There you are.
Yeah.
You have to speak more facts. Yo, come here.
Yeah.
Come here.
I can't jump back.
Hamburger cheeseburger, Big Mac Whopper, 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 hamburger cheeseburger, Big Mac Whopper.
Where are you?
I'm up here.
Holy. He was
Yo, bro.
right
Hamburger cheeseburger, Big Mac Whopper, hamburger cheeseburger, Big Mac Whopper.
Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac Whopper. Yeah. Now what? Scary baboon is scary. He's more scary than this game.
Power Rangers.
I want a gun, guys. I'm gonna buy a gun.
Yo, bro, wanna go to mountains?
I'm gonna buy a gun. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna buy a gun.
Yo, bro, what map?
I'm gonna buy a gun. Yeah.
Bro, what map?
I'm gonna buy a gun. Yeah.
You can buy a Glock. Yay! Everybody wants to buy those.
I wanna buy a gun.
No, you.
Yeah. I need it. Yeah.
You can't buy anything right now, just so you know, bro.
I should have bought it.
Wait, do that again? Wait, do that again? Wait, this would be a good thumbnail. Good thumbnail.
This kid.
Want to break from the
There's
ads?
a glitch. I have a version where I have 10,000 shiny rocks. And I could actually wear a Glock on
Yo,
my
look
head.
at me. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me.
You know what? I'm going to be recording. Send this to my video. Alright, today we about to play some monkey horror, scary monkey horror. And there's
Tag your
it.
Tag your
Get over here, little boy.
Wait.
It's super cool. This game I don't have.
Solar copper.
I don't have Prime.
What do you mean, Fortnite?
I didn't say Fortnite.
Chat.
Oh,
Chat.
yeah.
Chat. You want to
Oh,
go to
yeah.
mountains?
Look. In this room, one of these rooms, there's supposed to be Prime right here. There's Prime.
What?
everywhere.
What'd you say?
And I have a version of this. This is more scarier. And there's
Oh my
like
God.
a bunch of Prime everywhere, and I could wear it.
Yeah.
I wanna focus
Yo,
on
bro.
this.
Follow me, bro. We gotta go to we gotta go to caves. Art.
Yeah, you don't want to
Dark.
die from that blue thingy down there.
Yo, guys. Should we go to mines or should we not go to mines? My
Go
mental health
explore,
says we
kid.
don't
Let's
go to mines. My mental health says we don't go to mines.
My mental health says let's go to mines. So I don't get
My
a heart
mental
attack.
health says I don't care about your opinion.
Where is it?
I'm scared walking in here. Imagine me
Lady
going to
friend?
mines. That would be scary. I'm scared of this.
Who's mines? The old
Mines is literally right there. Where are you? Where are you, bro? Bro, come here. Oh, I don't like that at all. There's nothing about me that likes that. There's actually just nothing about me that even likes that. No, just like, I don't like that at all.
Oh, parkour. Oh, it's right there. Look at that little thing. Ew.
That mofo is scary. Yo, should we go to mines? Should we go to mines? Okay, Cameron. Cameron, it's just a fake spider. It's just a fake spider. It's just a crappy, fake-looking spider. It's nothing.
Yeah, I don't like that.
You've seen worse. You've seen scarier.
It's worse. That is worse.
That is worse than the worst I've probably seen.
Should we do it?
I don't like that noise. I don't like the noise he makes. Alright, that's it. I'm going up here. He's right there, bro.
Where's right there?
He is right there. He's on our tail, bro.
Look at him. He's so
I literally
cute.
hear him, see him breathing.
Okay.
Okay, bro, how do we lure him? How do we lure him? One of us has to lure him. Not it.
Where? Where?
Lure him over there so I can go into mines.
This kid.
Are you luring him?
I think I know
Farther.
what to do.
Run, rabbit, run. Alright, he lured him all the way over there.
Am I luring
This is
him?
where we go into mines.
Ew! Ew!
I'm in mines!
Huh?
What? I left the game, bro. I left the game. There's an additional spider in mines. Yo, bro, there's an additional spider in mines. As soon as you join, go into app chat. Hey, viewers. F that. Hey, what do you think is happening in my brain? What do you think's happening in my brain? What do you think is happening in my brain? Average monkey. You're gonna say, everybody's gonna say average monkey went though. Average monkey. Average monkey is average. Anyway. Oh my god, cosmetics! Oh my god. Yup. Are you in code SM2 or what? Join it. What do you think's happening to me? What do you think is happening to me? What do you think is happening to me? Where are you? You're not in code SM2, bro. You're not in, bro. I don't see you. Here. I'm in code SM. You know what? That's it. Just join code VGHJK. 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 HJK. Average monkey win the caves though. Average monkey win the cave. I don't care. Monkey win the mines. Average monkey win the mines. I don't care what average monkey did. I am superior monkey.
Dude, I would just like permanently keep my Shazam open on my phone. Every single song.
Do you want to play monkey? You sure? Cause I don't see you. No. I'm in the code and I don't see anybody, and I'm looking at the leaderboard and I don't see anybody here. Yo, bro, do you want to play bro, do you want to play MetaQuest Horizon Worlds? So you have Meta Horizon Worlds, and basically you can play a bunch of scary games, you can play cool games, you can play... Yeah, join it. It's pretty cool.